Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the docking station model and its power rating so you avoid undersupply and potential damage. Once the correct adapter is at hand, plug it into the dock and into the wall, and watch the LED for a steady light. This shows stable power. Make sure your laptop is nearby and any protective case that blocks ports is removed. This prevents loose connections. Now, with power stable, you're ready to move on to the data and display connections. Next, connect the data link. Plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the dock into your laptop. Make sure the connector seats fully and any latch clicks. Once linked, attach monitors using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Connect the primary monitor first, then extend or mirror in the operating system display settings. After displays, plug your keyboard, mouse, and external drives into the dock's USB ports, and, if needed, connect Ethernet for stable network access. Once done, the system should enumerate devices automatically. To finish, verify that all devices appear in your operating system's device manager or settings. Install any required drivers or dock firmware updates to ensure full functionality. Make sure power management settings allow charging if needed, arrange displays for correct order, and set audio output to the dock when using speakers. If something fails, first reseat every cable and reboot the laptop. If the problem continues, swap the docking cable or try a different port. This often isolates cable versus dock faults and gets you back to work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.